Hello, everyone. My name is Tinja Anderson. I am the Chief Revenue Officer for EG Capital Holdings. We are a boutique investor solutions firm. Our mission is to level the playing field by providing underserved businesses with capital and investors with transformative opportunities, building an ecosystem where innovation, integrity, and sustainable, profitable growth thrive together. Our objective is to maximize deal flow by aligning the right deal with the right investor while being founder friendly. Are you guys ready to talk about some ROI? Because I sure am. And because we couldn't just present one opportunity, we are choosing 4 to present out of our 22 raises. Now, before I go into the deal specific, let's quickly highlight what we look for so you guys can be confident in our due diligence. For early stage venture capital, we look for companies with proven solutions for underserved markets, strong growth potential, limited funding rounds to minimize investor dilution, and a clear path to double-digit multiples and an exit. With traditional private equity, we target newly profitable or will be with new capital. They need to be established, have clear growth trajectories and customer base, and aim for a 5 to 10x returns over the next 3 to 7 year time horizon. With late stage, we are looking for sustained profitability and significant growth, defined exits or liquidity events within the next 2 to 3 years, and 2 to 3x returns with major institutional or strategic investors. For our funds, these are our special purpose vehicles and our business development companies. Okay, now let's get to the good stuff. First up, early stage VC. Valid Era is a digital badging technology company that addresses the fraudulent misuse of digital badging. The raise is $1.5 million pre-seed round to complete software development and proof of concept with initial vendors. The current global market availability is $334 million for businesses that will need to show compliance to regulation. They are projecting to capture approximately 42% of the market share in the next 5 years, and they expect to reach profitability by late 2026 and targets a 5-year exit. So what is it exactly? It is a secure automated system leveraging a live audit technology to track and verify that an organization has met specific legal, regulatory, and required standards, building trust in their market through a visualization of digital badging. And frankly, there's currently 136 billion lost annually because of that fraudulency. With Valid Era, it allows brands to get full control over their digital badging. Enterprises must verify that vendors meet security standards to secure contracts and drive revenue. Next up, we have traditional private equity, Proteon Biodiagnostics. Proteon is essentially a data company that helps solve the cancer crisis. They do cancer screening, cancer diagnostics, treatment guidance, and cancer monitoring, and they're backed by AI. The raise is $6 million to scale operations and accommodate significant growth. The global cancer diagnostics market is estimated to reach $258 billion by 2030. What is outstanding about Proteon is that they have experienced a substantial hypergrowth from 2024. Their clinical revenues are up over 300% because of the new brain testing services. They are cash flow positive. They have incredible margins at 70 to 80%, and their valuation is quickly approaching more than 50 million based on growth, AI, market traction, competitor comparison, etc. And we have the opportunity to invest at the valuation of 25 million. The challenges that they are solving are increasing cancer rates, improper testing and treatment, and health record systems are fragmented. Over 30% of cancer patients receive incomplete or incorrect diagnostic reports. And there are over 100 new cancer treatments every year. And the scary thing is that over 60% of oncologists are confused by diagnostic choices and treatment selection. The way they solve this is by providing the best available cancer tests, decision support and treatment guidance, and integration, organization, and management of patient data and test results. For our late stage company highlight, we have a special purpose vehicle for Don't Quit, which is a nutrition brand, and their modern soda brand called Sky Pop, which is a sugar-free protein soda. We currently have $3 million left of a $5 million placement at a $65 million valuation with limited room left in the round. Major institutional investors include Albertsons, Vons, 7-Eleven, and Keurig Dr. Pepper. cool thing is Keurig Dr. Pepper is holding a call option for an exit at $100 million in revenue or for X revenue in the next 2 to 3 years. They have achieved significant market traction, becoming the number 4 best-selling national brand at Albertsons shortly after launch, currently sitting right behind Olipop. We also have high-profile athletes such as Russell Westbrook. The company is positioned for rapid growth and a defined liquidity event within the next few years. And lastly, we have Capital Q BDC. This is our fund. This is a full-stack venture capital business development company that is designed to provide investors with full spectrum capital appreciation and current income. It has a strategic balance of venture capital, private equity, and private credit, our trifecta fund. It mitigates the downside with defined exit plans that optimize outcomes and custom options kickers. With regard to performance, they have a stellar track record. In 2022, they did 107%, and the S&P was down almost 20%. In 2023, they did approximately 40%, and that is double what the S&P did. And in 2024, they finished up that year at 24.5%. This year, they are projected finishing up closer to 30%, which is their target IRR. If any of these opportunities speaks to you, shoot me an email at tinja@egcapital.co. You can also join our investor newsletter or connect with us on social. We look forward to doing business with y'all.